going on? It's David Outdoors 74. Stay tuned. We got a broken handle on my central outdoor boiler, 5036. Let's see how we fix it. Okay, so last night, I'll walk us out to the boiler in a minute. This guy broke off. It's a 3/8 course. Just a regular screw. It's not really hardened. You don't want them hardened, then you can't get them out. So I went to O'Reilly's and I just bought, because I didn't have an extractor kit. So I got an extractor kit. And use this guy right here. The drill broke, the bit broke, so that's awesome. So it worked. You can see where I drilled a hole in there. I was going to do a video with this part stuck in the part where the handle goes on, but I'll show you. Just kind of a play-by-play, kind of. So if you haven't done this before, you take the drill bit that's provided, you drill down just enough where you can get this guy in here. Take a hammer, whatever, you tap it in so it sticks inside like this really good. And then you take a wrench and you back it out. You go counterclockwise, so you cut it out like that. And if you're lucky, which if it's really rusty, you'll have to probably heat the area. I was very fortunate, which is rare for my luck. Let's go out and take a look at what we got going. So last night, came home from the laundromat. I got other videos. Check out my laundromat. I built a laundromat. Really awesome. So I'm working like 1,000 hours there. So I came home last night. That was obviously hooked. Went to turn the handle. I was like, oh, it's kind of loose. And here it is dark, of course. And the whole handle fell off. And like I just showed you with the bolt right there, just snapped clean off. That's why I wouldn't use a hardened bolt, because this is the worst design that central boiler in my book can come up with. The 6040s have that double handle, that double hook that grabs on. I think that's a great design. This to me is a terrible design. This is the second bolt that has broken off from this. So I tried one bolt here, but it's too long, so I'm going to take that back off. Yeah, this is not the best design in my book. You don't have to be super handy. You need the kit I just showed you. You need a 9/16 socket, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's not really rocket scientist. So this bolt right here is too long. I put in, there's a bushing that rotates. Suggest you spray. I think that's what happens with these guys. We'll open this up here. Yeah, see, it's all... That's how it goes back on. So if you're putting it back on, this guy goes like that. So take a look. Yeah, I think what's happening is there's a bushing right here, and the bushing is getting seized up. So what I should do is put some... The bolt that goes through there, put some never seize on this guy here. Put it right in here. So when you slide it in, do right here. That way it slides. This will push in here when you... This just pushes in like this, like that. But you don't want this to spin. You want the bolt to spin inside of this. So it goes in like that. So let's make this happen, because I'm tired of shimming this door up. So you're gonna go just like this. Just like that. And then in the back right there, you can put a washer. The washer I had bent. So you can put a washer like that. And take this bolt. Again, it's 3/8, 2.5, I believe, inches. The door. Make it easier. I haven't put wood in since last night. It's funny in the middle of the night when you're trying to come up with something to prop your door closed. Here, take a look at that. I got to clean the boiler up. I've been pretty lazy on doing that. Keep them clean. And if you got a fire going like me, you want to make this quick because you don't want to get your box up too hot. This bushing is not doing its job. Everything's all seized up. I just pulled the bush in. There we go. See how that should move around. So you got to keep it lubed up. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. I didn't think I could do it myself, but if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks again.